Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please subscribe. That's the only way that you are going to get notified when we post new content. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Please like this video. You do not lose anything, but you help to keep me motivated to make more videos, share more content, all for free. By the way, if you're looking to download Forex systems, Forex robots, Forex strategies, indicators, books, and stuff like that, all for free, there are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Sometimes people come and request things that are already on the blogs. Don't be that person. Go through the blogs and see if you cannot find what you're looking for. Then if you still cannot find what you're looking for, you can always come back and leave a request in the comment section below, and I promise to certainly make an effort to find the thing for you. After downloading the Forex systems, robots, indicators, certainly you want to test them in real market conditions before giving them all your hard-earned cash. The links are in the description box below. For the broker that I use, you can actually deposit $5, $10 into your account just to test the robot, just to test the indicator or the system to see if it makes money before you actually go all in. So visit the broker that I use and open an account. You don't lose anything. It's just a $5 account, a $10 account. If you are struggling with anything concerning your forex trading, if you have questions, if you have challenges, if you have topics that you want me to make videos on, leave them in the comment section below and I'll certainly make a video on your question. I've been there, and I wish when I started I would have come across a channel like this where they were just sharing information for free. So go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, share the video with your friends. Let's get into today's topic. In this video we are going to talk about how you can also become a consistently profitable trader. Not a trader who makes money today, tomorrow they are crying, the next day they maybe break even, tomorrow they've blown the account and they fund again, tomorrow they make some money, the next day it blows and things like that. But somebody who is consistently profitable. So let's get into it. First of all, risk management. I cannot overemphasize this. Risk management is your first goal as a trader. You cannot be consistently profitable in this game if your risk management is not on point. Let's take an example. Let's say you have a $1,000 account, and every trade that you are taking, you are putting $100 on the line because you've seen somebody on Instagram, on Twitter, placing these huge lot sizes doing it. So every time you are trading, you're placing $100 on the line. You only need 10 bad trades, only 10 mistakes. Trust me, only 10 mistakes and you're out. The account is blown. Let's say the next person, they've also a $1,000 account, but they are placing $10 or $20 entries. You find that in the end, this person needs to make 50 or 100 mistakes or bad trades in order for their account to blow, which is nearly impossible. 10 mistakes is possible, but 100 mistakes is nearly impossible. It is still possible, but it's nearly impossible. So you find that in the long run, this person that is trading lower lot sizes, lower positions, although they may not be as glamorous as the person that is posting on their Instagram these huge lot sizes, huge entries, but this person in the long run, they are profitable because yes, they probably took 5 losses, but they made 10 profit entries after that. So the 10 entries overshadow the 5 losses. You get the point. First of all, I've always said this. First of all, before you chase the fame and the profits that people show on social media, as a trader, your first goal is as a risk manager. You are a risk manager before everything else. Make sure you manage your risk. That's how you stay in the game. That's how you protect your capital. The goal is to protect your capital so that tomorrow you can come back and try again. So that after tomorrow you also come back and try again, and not try to make your money overnight. Second point is find a strategy that works for you. You need a good strategy, a good consistent strategy, a strategy that you understand. Most of the time I find people, they get sold all these strategies, all these indicators and all these things that they do not understand, or the things do not match their personality, their trading personality, their who they are. There's a mismatch with their style of trading. So you need to find a strategy that works for you. If it's a system, a trading system, it needs to be a trading system that fits your trading style. If it's a robot, it needs to be something that fits your trading style. Then you will not have problems trading with that thing. You will not have you will not have problems trading with that strategy. And you don't want to go for these strategies that promise to make you a millionaire overnight, because there's nothing like that. Also, you don't want to go for strategies that, for argument's sake, they also are safe, but they do not give you as many entries in the market. So say in a trading week, you probably, because with this strategy you only place 5 trades. It's good if you are placing if you are trading with a big account, but if you are trading with a small account, you need to consistently make entries in the market. So you want a strategy that's at least 80%, 75%, 80% profitable. Understand that there is no strategy that is 100%. You can never find a strategy that is 100% profitable. If you find a strategy like that, well, good for you. But if somebody wants to sell you a strategy like that, trust me, run away. So have a strategy that you understand, a strategy that makes good entries, not too many entries that it becomes like you are scalping every minute. You don't want to be scalping the minute chart. I don't wish that on my worst enemy. You don't want to scalp the minute chart. But again, you do not want to have a strategy where you have to wait for days in order to find an entry. Then, third point is you often need to trust your instincts. Trust your instincts. Sometimes you are trading and you go on Instagram, or you go on Twitter, or you go on YouTube, or whatever that you use. You find that you probably have placed a buy, and you find that the person that you think is a trading guru has placed a sell. Then you go and you cancel your trade, and you also enter a sell. I previously did that and it never worked for me. I previously did it, it never worked for me. Usually that trade would not work out for me, because also I did not understand why that person placed that particular trade. So I always encourage people to trust their own analysis. I would like to fail with my own analysis, so that I know what I did and I know what I should do next time. I want to fail with my own analysis. Next time I will know how to correct it. I want to win with my own analysis so that I can note it down and I know to keep on doing that. When you try to take entries based on other people's entries and trading styles, sometimes you do not have a full picture of why. So in the end, you are not learning anything. You do not have your own thing. You do not have your own thing. So trust your own analysis. The other thing that I've also seen that makes people not be as consistent as they should be is this thing of going against simple rules. Simple rules in Forex. For example, you sell high and you buy low. It's simple rules that people forget to follow in Forex. Because why? Fear of missing out. Fear of missing out. They've seen somebody posting this trade that is in profit and they think that they can still catch the trade, and sometimes the move has already happened. So by the time you actually also enter the market, the move has already happened and the market is turning and it turns against you. Buy low, sell high. Another rule, simple rule that people forget is go with the trend. Go with the trend. If there's a trend going on, you are in a perfect position. Just go with the trend. Don't try to go against the trend. Counter trend trading. It can be done, but it's tough. It's like trying to stop a flood with a bucket. It's like trying to stop a bullet with your bare hands, because if the market is buying and you're trying to sell and there are big players that are buying, my friend, you're in trouble. So simple rules to make you a consistently profitable trader. If you have other tips for other traders who want to become consistently profitable traders, please leave them in the comment section below. Like this video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and until next time, bye.